Good afternoon, everybody. Hello, hello. Welcome. Today, hey Barry, hey Psychotic, hey Mr. T, welcome everybody. Welcome. Today, my friends, we're gonna do our normal long form coding. Well, there you go, Barry. That's good. That's good. Yep, today we do our long form coding. I had the longer timer going because I had to run and get like coffee and all kinds of things here. I was not prepared. I hope you can watch the stream too, Psychotic. And you know, a note to everybody: if Flemish is having issues, I am also simultaneously streaming to both YouTube and to Twitch, so you will not hurt my feelings by looking at either of those streams. Also, all the VODs are saved on YouTube, so the memoryleakdeath.tv/VODs take you to the YouTube channel. Yeah, I don't have that command set up, Psychotic. I should have that command set up. I didn't. I'm lazy. I'm so lazy. Oh yeah, they're all there. There's let me see. Let me bring up the stuff here. Where is the stuff? TV/VODs. Yeah, I have a playlist, I think, somewhere. Did I put them everything under software development? I think I did. I think it's all under software development. Let me see here. Yeah, it's all under here, including Small Feature Fridays and the current live stream. So there's a lot there. I wonder how much does it tell me. They used to tell you how long the whole thing was. I don't know if they say that anywhere. But you can see they're lengthy streams. So I would if you're really looking for something in the background, there you go. I wouldn't actively watch them, but they're there for anybody. Anyway, so what are we gonna do today? So first of all, I wanted to see, did I put a thread out about rating, or did one already exist? I mean, there's ones that kind of deal on it. I should probably put a dev thing out for the rating, because it's different enough. What I've done is different enough than that it probably deserves its own. MGA tried to start at one point. I don't know. I know there's a couple threads about it, but I think I should probably put a dev thread out. Plus, it'll be good for me to put one out, because whatever I put in a dev thread is probably what I'm going to put in the pull request. So let me just do that, and we'll do that live, because then we can all get up to speed with where I'm at. Great. And I'll put under dev. Where's dev back here? Discussion, feedback. That's good. That's good. Not to jinx it. we'll all keep our fingers crossed. Everything's going well. So we'll say for someone to start watching Netflix. Oh, cool. 19 is working for you too. Cool. Awesome. Awesome. Oh, and then thank you for the follow I saw earlier. Rating. Our community has expressed an interest in being able to recommend spelling. Interest in being able to recommend other streamers on the platform live as they are completing their own stream. This is beneficial to the platform as a whole, as it helps our streamers promote cross-promote each other and increase the visibility and increase the visibility of God, how do I wordsmith this? Increase the visibility Is this a feature request for a shout out feature? No. This is rating. This is rating. I did think of having a shout out feature at some point. I do want to put a suggestion out for that. This is just I'm trying to describe rating in a way that is very businessy, professional. Maybe I should just say instead of recommend. Increase the visibility of the diversity of content on Image. I guess. I don't know. That sentence sounds like it got away from me, but whatever. So what I want to do. Exactly. Try to support others if you have big viewership. I mean, it doesn't even matter if you have big viewership. It's just a matter of, like, you know, helping. It's just a matter of, like, wanting to help the community as a whole, you know? It's the old high tide raises all ships, right? It's like, be the tide, you know? Help everybody raise each other up, and we'll all get somewhere, maybe. Right. Yeah, pass on support. Okay, so rating differs from hosting in that hosting is typically an automatic process that happens, that streamers set up ahead of time, and my process streamers set up ahead of time, and it happens while they are offline. Rating is a spur of the moment action that streamers may wish to take while they are live and about to end their stream. Also, it's a specific target. Yeah, I mean, it's you know, that's also a difference. But I think the biggest difference is like one is kind of sort of out of your control, and the other one is you're directly, like, one is automatic and one is manual. I think is the bigger difference probably. Speaking of which, I've had requests for changes to hosting as well that I need to look into at some point. That I think are good ideas. Like, it was like, first of all, on the following page, put the hosts back into their own category and stop mixing them in with all the other ones, which is fine. I'm okay with that. Also, say on that page who is triggering, who the streamer that triggered the host, so you know who's hosting those things, and also a way to, like, say, please don't ever show me this channel in its hosted form, which I had a lot of that sort of already started. It's just sitting on a branch somewhere. And then another thing was auto-rotating hosts. So right now, when you host another channel, it will host that channel for the entirety of its stream. And there was a thought that maybe we could have a setting where you could say, like, rotate the host every hour or every 2 hours or something. So, you know, it would host the channel. It would pick the channel that hasn't been hosted for a while first, host it for like an hour or two, and then switch to another channel if there's another one available, and then kind of rotate that way. So, yeah, like host timers, yeah. Yeah, that's what I said too, Barry. I think that was a fantastic idea. I just never thought of it when I did the hosting thing. So it's good to go in and try to. I think that's a really good one to put on there. Well, it's right now. Psychotic is not in the API. So I think the other thing I want to do too is now that I've had like a tiny bit of experience with the API, just a tiny bit. I'll probably add hosting to the API so that bots and stuff can manage your host list and whatnot. Yeah, I think that's another thing that I'd like to do there too. If I ever get back around to it, if I ever get back around to anything, I mean, I still have to fix. I have to fix the recent tag stuff too, because it's often not giving you actually recent tags. It's giving you tags that are all over the place in history. So I need to tweak the algorithm for that too. That's not it's working, but it's not optimal. Sometimes it's just not picking the tags that you just did. I still see tags for games that I played months and months ago that should have rotated out by now because I play so many different games, but they haven't. So I have to re-examine the query that I run for that and see if I can tweak it a little bit more, because it's not quite working right. I mean, it's something, but it's not perfect right now. But I mean, before I fix that though, I still have another branch where I started to make the tags global instead of attached to a category. So you'd still have like your subcategories would still be there. So like your games and stuff and your activities for like art and all that stuff would still be under a category, but then the other tags like community pride and, you know, lurkers welcome and all those things, the custom tags, right now they're all tied to a category. And so whenever you switch your category, those tags get cleared out, and it's really annoying. And I've heard from a lot of people it's really annoying, and I find it a little bit annoying too. So the fix I had for that was that I was starting to work on for that was divorce those from the category and just make them global. And then that way we don't have to reset them when you change your category. And you know, it'll be like easier to find. It'll be easier to find things across categories in. Like as it stands right now, like I did the homepage. There's a pull request out there for the homepage tags, and it dips into the tag cloud and pulls tags out. But if it pulls out like community pride and you click on that, it's only going to show you the category that it found. So it's only going to show you, like, there could be people in art and music and gaming that have community pride, but it'll only show you one of those, whatever one it happened to pick out, right? So by making those global, we'd then be able to search across all those categories, and you'd see everybody who has that tag rather than just the individual category. So that's a big one. So, but I can't really move forward with that because it changes a lot of stuff, and there's a lot of stuff in flight right now, and I'm just kind of waiting for everything to sort of settle down and get into the main trunk so that I can then make a change like that, because it's going to affect all the stuff that I've already put out as pull requests and everything else. So I've had to put that kind of on the side for the moment. Okay, so then Let's see. So, what were the... I think I didn't put any... There are requirements. Where am I at here? So I go settings, rating. Yeah, okay. So where's that for that? Streamers must meet the following qualification to raid other streamers. I do like a... You do a... That work that way? I don't know if that works. Looks like it is. Their account must be at least 5 days old. I actually said more than 5 days old. It could be more than 5 days old. Verified email address and not be banned. Have a verified email address. They must not be banned from the target streamer chat. Must not be. Yeah, it must not be banned. Banned is fine. All right. Everybody knows the difference between banned and timeout. That. Streamers must allow rating to be rated other streamers. Default is off. Streamers may block other channels from rating them. Separate from the chat ban. I spelled that wrong. Block other channels from radios from chat bands. Oh. What else do we have here? Okay. You may streamers may restrict rating to only restrict incoming raids to only channels they follow. Viewers have the option to customize the raid message. Hey Ramirez, welcome. Streamers have the option to customize the raid message. The incoming raid message. So my brain just shut off for a second there. So streamers have the option to customize the incoming raid message so that they may I'm trying, yeah, they can add their own touch. It's so if they are uncomfortable with the term rating, or otherwise wish to personalize the message for their community. Here, okay. To rate drives the community. The message optionally can contain replacement texts, can contain placeholders that the system will replace at runtime. Streamer? What do I call it? Streamer and count, yeah. Streamer will be replaced with the name of the rating streamer, and count will be replaced with the number of users participating in the incoming raid. Okay. Got new internet service providers. You have to go set up a few things again. Oof, yeah. I hear you. I hear you, Ramirez. One of these days I gotta get my internet figured out, because right now I've got a coax cable running out of this room and down the hallway and into the living room and into the wall. because for some reason the coax in the walls here, at some point there must be a splitter somewhere along the line that is starting to fail, because it was causing my internet to just be very, not only slow, but just kind of cut out at times. And ever since I've run that cord down the hallway to the living room, like, knock on wood, everything's been pretty solid. And I've been getting like better throughput and stuff too, so at some point I gotta get Verizon out and just like, I mean, it's been like, I have 100 Fios, 100 down, 100 up, and but in order to get the next tier, which is Quantum, which actually I think costs less than the plan I'm on, and it's faster, or has more throughput, requires that I can't use the coax in the wall. It has to be a direct Ethernet connection to the ONT. And I don't think my ONT outside has an Ethernet connection on it, because I've looked. So I just need them to come out and like do whatever they gotta do, drill holes, whatever, and just like juice me up here at some point. And I've just been doing my usual procrastination dance. The old procrastination dance. Message. I think that's everything there. So then it's work. Hey, Mr. T. Switch from Spectrum to Frontier. So far, so good. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, some of my equipment's pretty old, too. Like, I have older switches. I have an older router. Because their newer routers don't do coax the same way. And so they keep yelling at me that my router's too old. And I'm like, yeah, well, I can't do a new router because you guys don't do coax the same way. It still has a coax connection, but it only goes out to the set-top boxes. It doesn't come in from the ONT. So I'm like, yeah, what do you want me to do? Add the ability to moderate raiders as a group under features. Yeah, I kind of dropped that one for right now. Because it's bigger than a bread box, and I'd like to get this first stab out there, and then kind of take a look at it, because it would lead me to having to figure out the life cycle of a raid and kind of track who's in a raid and who isn't. And I haven't quite figured out how to do that doesn't require like a whole lot of dental work. You know? Also, on top of that, I kind of want to get... The other thing that I'm working on too is viewing the viewers, and putting the moderation buttons in there, because once I can do it there, I want to take the moderation buttons, except for the delete button, off of the chat bubbles, put them in the viewer list, and then that will give me more room to do things like here's everybody who's in this group, and being able to moderate the people who are in the group and stuff. We'll see. I don't know. There's also an open question of if that is too heavy-handed as well. Like, should there really be a way to do that? You know, because you could sweep up people into it who weren't really doing anything wrong. So it's kind of a hard one. It's one I think that it's one I think we can put to the community and see what they think, because I don't really know where to land on it. You know what I mean? There's a number of users. A streamer initiates. Initiates a raid via the following steps. Find 240s. Finding someone to raid. Yeah, I tend to agree with that too, Psychotic. But I don't know. It's both arguments are very compelling. For and against it. I think there could be a way for me to group the raids on the viewer list. I could probably group the raiders together so that it would be as simple as just like boom, 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 just go down the line. And maybe that would just be better than having a timeout all or something. I don't know. Yeah. No, I get you, and I know everybody's afraid of hate raids, or everybody wants to avoid hate raids. They're not afraid of them; they just want to avoid them, and I get that. And I don't want to enable that either. But I think we'll just have to see what we can come up with. I think I definitely want to give the person who's being raided more power than they have on other platforms. I know that's not a popular idea. A lot of people like raids just the way they are, and they like the spur of the moment of them. And that being able to stop them, from coming in and all that stuff spoils it a bit, but I'm hoping there's a middle ground in there somewhere, that we can find as a community. Because honestly, as I've said before, this is not a feature that I plan on using. I've never been a fan of raids to begin with. But I want to do the best job I can for everybody. So it may come down to me just kind of picking something and rolling with it and mea culpaing to everybody else. You know, you don't use rating at all. Yeah, I don't. I personally find it to be disruptive. You know, it's you're kind of showing up at someone's party unannounced. You know, you're crashing somebody's wedding in many ways. But some people really like that. And there is a very compelling reason that people will say, which is like, this is how people grow on the platform, is that they get found by others who then do that. And that's, I don't want to take that away from anybody. I think that's very, very valid. All that is very, very valid. Yeah. Spamming a lot of text and breaking things as well. Have a list of approved raiders. Well, right now, Barry, it's more like the opposite. It's more like you can block raiders and you can restrict it to only people that you follow. I thought about maybe having it another way where you could have like a allow list, but I wanted to get this one out at least, and then we'll see what everybody thinks in the community. If they want a separate list where they can just say, I just want to, I want everybody blocked except for these people on this list, you know, and that's fine. I'm fine with doing that. I want to see how many, if anybody wants that, or how many people want that, and that kind of thing. That in and of itself would be enough. Sure, but it's also a lot more work, right? I mean, that's the thing, right? Like, an allow list is a lot more work to manage than the opposite. And not saying that streamers are lazy, but a lot of them just kind of want things to just work. You know, they have a lot of competing interests, and their time is valuable. So I kind of lean towards the, you know, if you really want to let everybody in, let's let everybody in, and then you can pull it back from there, kind of thing. You know? Yeah. Oh yeah, no, that's fine. I understand. I understand what you're saying, Barry. I understand. I have 3 cups of coffee and I still can't stop yawning here. Alright. What do we got? So finding someone to raid. Streamer. Streamer can open English website and navigate to one of our category pages. At the top of the page, there will be a filter button where filter button calls and read. They can toggle on and the page will show them only the streams that are available for them to read. This filter includes this filter is based on the user. It's based on the logged in streamer, so it will not show streams that will not show streams that have locked that streamer from rating them via the settings below. Let's go down around exploring people before they run out. Yeah, exactly. And now what we do is get a screenshot in here. Does this work? Do that so you can see that it's there. Paste that here. Based on the login streamer, so not just streams that'll block that streamer from rating them. That's okay, Barry. That is okay. Letting someone to read. And then do commencing a raid. The streamer, after filtering out filtering the channels down to raidable ones, the streamer can then click on the channel on the stream in the list, stream in the category list, and go to that streamer's stream page. At the top of the stream page, there will be a start raid button next to the support button. This button will only appear to streamers that are currently live and able to raid the channel. The button does not appear on channel on the rating streamers own channel, i.e. they cannot raid themselves. Go go over here. Will there be alert in the chat? Yes. Yes, there will be. Go here and then generate. I think I have to set up my database here. I don't think I have anything. Oh no, here we go. Raid. Click on that guy. There's a raid button. Oh, I just called it raid, didn't I? What am I looking at? There will be a raid button. That and there. Oh, the stream page. I have a raid channel, but does not appear in the raiding stream own channel. They cannot read the code. Alright, okay. And then down begins. I'm clicking the raid button. The streamer will be alerted, will be prompted to make sure they want to raid the channel, and that raiding will stop their stream. Stop their stream when it's complete. We'll stop their stream after a set timer. If the streamer clicks OK, the raid button will change to I think I call it stop raid or cancel raid button with a 30-second timer. Streamer may cancel the raid before that timer completes. If I do over here, say And this. We do another one. In here. There we go. That, and I might get that on the page here just so I don't lose it. Okay. Let's see. Let's see what we got here. So, logical. Okay, so streamer may cancel a raid. When the raid timer begins, viewers on the raiding streamers channel will receive a toast notification about the impending raid, and they are presented with a yes no option to participate. Participate in the raid. By default, yes will be selected for them, for the viewers, if they do not respond to the vote. All right, so we got a over here, and we're on the channel. Let's get that out of there. Here, hit raid. Here. Why did that not work? Well, that's a problem. Oh, you know what? Let me just... It might have been in like a weird state. I'll have to test that. Make sure that doesn't get into that state again. But all right. Where are we at here? Toast notification at the top of the chat area. Like that. If the streamer cancels the raid, the viewers will all receive this message. Why not use the same chat toast to announce the raid was canceled? Because it dismisses. So like if you hit no, you'll dismiss the toast. Actually, if you hit no or yes, it'll dismiss the toast. And I thought about like having another toast pop up and stuff, but it's really like the toast itself is on the page. It's just hidden. And so it was getting like really weird. And I was like, you know what? Let's just take this let's take a shortcut on that one. I took the lazy route. Is the long and short of it. I took the lazy way out. That's not to say we can't do that later. It's just I wanted to let's just put that in there because I don't know how many people are going to like. It's a 30-second timer, so I don't know how many people are going to be like, I'm going to cancel this right now, that kind of thing. So I figured that was just the easier way to do it. The raid countdown complete. Once the 30-second countdown completes, a scheduled job in the back end will pull all the viewers that had said yes to participating in the raid to the target raid channel. The raiding streamers channel and then I'll stop stream on the raiding streamers channel, which should take them offline. I don't know if OBS will attempt to reconnect. So we should advise streamers to stop their streams when the raid goes through. Oh, it should take them offline. All the target raid channel will then have their raid events, their customized raid event message posted to the chat. This. Right. The raid events are flagged as events in the chat API. So third party bots should be able to detect the event once they are updated to look for it. And then where's the where did I do that at? Chat test? No. Chats test. I haven't written the test yet, but it's that message, so it would be crap. What did I do over here? It was chat message, right? Yeah, I have is raid message there. I don't think I have to do anything there. I mean, I might have to add it to. I probably just have to add the column to the thing, and then that's it. So you have is raid message. Find as events in the chat API via a new column is raid message, new boolean column. What else? What else? I mean, there's a lot of else. There's a lot of technical things too. Raid countdown complete. What's the workflow? Future expansion section, yeah. I want to before I do the future expansions, I want to get the technical details in, because I'm also gonna use this for the pull request, well, a portion of it for the pull request as well. Once I get the testing and everything done here, which I'm gonna try to do today. Condensing a read. And click on the stream. Rate countdown begins. Just be selected. Rate the countdown complete. Details. Added a new on the fly scheduled job. Raid resolver. Yeah. Raid resolver. This is triggered dynamically when a streamer requests a raid, and is scheduled for 30 seconds into the future with a max attempts of 1. Added a new column to the chat message table. Chat messages, alright. Chat messages table. Yeah. Called isRaid message. Boolean column to the chat messages table, called isRaid message to distinguish between raid events and other events messages. What else? Just kind of raid timer, raid test. Yeah, I gotta talk about these. Um, added a braid post JavaScript book that uses Bootstrap's post functionality to display a message above the chat window, chat panel. Add a read timer JavaScript book to provide a visual countdown timer when a read is started. What I do here? I'll appear in the pop-out chat too. I believe so. I have to test that. It should, because it uses the same code, but yeah, I need to test it. Actually, wait a minute. Did I put it in the chat panel? I don't think. No, I don't think I. No, I put it in the. It's not in the chat panel, so it won't be on the. It won't be on that. Which I think makes more sense because you're not gonna follow a raid from the pop-out chat. Because I have it on the. Where is it at? I think I have it on stream. Here. Yeah, no, I have it on the stream page itself at the top. So no, it won't be on the pop out. You sometimes have the stream full size on one screen in chat. Yeah, no, it should pop up. It should pop up in the corner of the stream, not on the chat. It just so happens that the chat's over there most of the time. But yeah, it should be on the corner of the screen. Because which makes more sense because that's the page that's going to go in the raid, whereas the chat window is not going to go on the raid. You know, the video element full screen. Oh, that's fine. Yeah. I mean, if you click on the video and say full screen, then you're not going to see it because you've hidden the page. But if the video element itself is full screen, then it should pop up over top of that. Unless you've changed the Z ordering of it. But I put the Z order for I put the Z index for this guy as 990. So as long as you didn't change the Z index of the video, then it should pop out over top of it, hopefully. Of the video element, that is. Hmm. I think that's... What is going on here? That's... everything. Oh no, it's not everything. Wait a minute. I missed another big part. There we go. Here we go. Statistics. I've added raid statistics to the statistics page under settings. I've also, so I track the number of raids for a stream and the total number of viewers that came from those raids for that stream. I've also updated the statistics page to only load 30 rows at a time and to use infinite scroll to load additional pages of rows. This should hopefully make the page load faster. Over here, settings. No? Yeah, that's working. Cool. No. Yeah, there. Fine. Oh, page load. Fast. Okay. And because of that, I added streams. Added count raids and count raid viewers. Streams table. Added count raids and count raid viewers columns to the streams table so we can track that information for the page. Right, okay. That was the other big part I just I just forgot. Alright. Do a sanity check here. Please press interest, be able to rate other streamers live or complete on stream, blah blah blah. Rating differs from hosting. Hosting is that, blah blah. Future details. Streamers must meet the following qualifications to rate other streamers. Streamers must allow rating to be rated by other streamers. All this off. Streamers may block other channels from rating them. Streamers may restrict incoming raids to only channels they follow. Streamers have the option to customize incoming raid message. Workflow. Finding someone to raid. Open the website, navigate to one of our category pages. There's a can raid toggle. Okay, commencing a raid. Filtering the channels down to raidable ones. The streamer can click on the stream. The stream page. At the top of the stream page will be a raid button next to the support button. This button will only appear to streamers. Streamer not possessed. Where the hell am I at here? To streamers that are currently live and able to raid the channel. The button does not appear on the raiding streamer's own channel. They cannot raid themselves. Raid countdown begins upon clicking the raid button. The streamer will be prompted. Make sure they want to raid the channel, and that raiding will stop their stream after a set timer. The streamer clicks OK. The raid button will change to a cancel raid button. With a 30-second timer, the streamer may cancel the raid before that timer completes. When the raid timer begins, viewers on the raiding streamer's channel will receive a toast notification at the top of the chat area about the pending raid. They're presented with a yes/no option to participate in the raid. By default, yes will be selected for the viewers if they do not respond to the toast. If the streamer cancels the raid, the viewers will all receive this message. The raid countdown completes. Once the 30-second countdown completes, a scheduled job on the back end will pull all the viewers that said yes to participating in the raid to the target raid channel, and then call stop stream on the raiding streamer's channel, which should take them offline. But I don't know if OBS will attempt to reconnect. The target raid channel will then have their customized raid event message posted to the chat. The raid events are flagged as events in the chat API. A new Boolean column is raid message. The third-party bot should be able to detect the event once they are updated to look for it. Statistics. I've added raid statistics to the statistics page under settings. I tracked the number of raids for a stream and the total number of viewers that came from those raids for that stream. I've also updated the statistics page to only load 30 rows at a time and to use infinite scroll to load additional pages of rows. This should hopefully make the page load faster. And then technical details. Alright, and then just a community feedback questions, thoughts, or future updates to rating. Okay. First one. Should we allow raids of 0 viewers? Currently, this is allowed, but I'm open to thoughts on both sides. Thoughts on this, I'll just back at 1. Should we provide a way to moderate a group of raiders as a whole? Right now, you'd have to moderate them individually. That includes screenshots. Oh no, I didn't. You're right. I'll do that. Yeah, you're right. I should do that. Thank you. I forgot. What's another question that's outstanding? Oh, should we provide a allow list where only channels on that list are able to raid your channel? Ask me to accept each raid. Limit raid size. Should we provide a way to limit the incoming raid size? If a channel attempts to raid your channel with a larger number of viewers than a specified amount, they would be unable Channel attempts to raiders. We're going to specify the amount, baby. To continue. Should we prompt the targets of a raid that we prompt the target of a raid should we allow the target of a raid to stop an incoming raid? Via a prompt. Oh, that's another thing. Should we provide a way to temporarily turn off raids for a set amount of time, i.e. you are about to end your stream in a few minutes and would prefer not to be rated. I guess. Or you have your intro screen up still and have not begun. Yeah, I mean that's fine. I think people get the idea. Yeah. Runaway temper. I guess, should we allow third-party bots tools to initiate raid via our API? If so, should we put additional restrictions on API launched raid, i.e. the streamer must have the raiding streamer must have streamed for 10 hours total on the platform. What about tracking unique raiders? Unique viewers? Oh, I see. As a count, you mean? I mean, it's. I guess there's a possibility that someone could be in a raid and then leave your channel, go somewhere else, and then be part of a raid again, I guess, on your channel. I mean, because it's kind of unique now. The number, right? First time raid participants, the number of new viewers brought to your stream via raids. Oh, I think I see what you're saying. Let me give that a thought for a minute. I have to hit the restroom. Let me take a short 2-minute break to stretch. I'll think about that and we'll continue forward with this. Hang on one second, folks. Okay, I'm back. Let's get there. So I think, yeah, I think, as you were saying, Psychotic, first time rapers. So what I'm thinking is, should we track, should we track the number of followers that came from a raid? Does that kind of cover what you're looking for? Ooh, one of these days. Oh. One of these days I'll learn how to sleep. That could be an interesting style as well. More of exposure to the stream. Yeah. Oh, there's one thing I did forget. Limitations. Currently raids, currently non-logged in users cannot participate in raids. What else? Is there any other limitation? Or mobile users? There is currently no mobile app integration with raids, so mobile viewers are unable to participate in raids. Major additions to the API. Actually, I don't think it might not, because the API, you can, so what I use for the channel that I use for rating, there's a pub sub channel that I use that I think is going to be exposed via the API, just like all the other stuff is, through Firehose or whatever it's called. So I think you'll be able to get access to that, but the mobile app needs to know what to do with that. First of all, the mobile app needs to know to register itself in that channel, and then it needs to know how to handle the events that go over the channel. So I think the pieces are there for the API for a viewer anyway. Well, kind of, sort of. There is still some API work that has to be done. Like, you have to be able to say yes or no to it, and that's the part that's going to need API work and stuff. So yeah, there is some API work that will have to be done there. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you know what? Let me list that on here. Will require additional API endpoint to handle all the aspects of reading, even from a viewer perspective. Yeah. And then also do the settings page. And go here. Go. I think a picture's worth 1,000 words there, so we've already talked about some of those in other sections anyway. Yep, that's and then okay, so then should we track number of new followers to your channel that came in via a raid? Are there other statistics? That word every time gets me. Are there other statistics that we should attempt to track? I think I think that's good for now. Always any other thoughts, questions, suggestions, concerns are welcome. Okay, I'm gonna post that out there, and oh god, I forgot. Your title must be greater than 15 characters. What a stupid restriction. There we go. That cool. I'm gonna go post this on Twitter right now so we get people looking at it. Do the tweet. You know, hey, reading is looking like. Would you like to help me answer some outstanding questions? Check a look here. There we go. Get that out there into the ether. Cool. Oh, there was an update to finish plan of action. Did I not see that over here? Oh, here it is. And check a look. Yeah, that's I borrowed that from the Devolver Digital people. Scotsy, thanks for the follow. Yeah, it was intentional. Yeah. I wanted to see. I want to see how many people look at it and go, "Oh, that was the Devolver Digital thing that they always say." Check a look when they do their E3, not E3 presentations. See how many people got it. What's going on here? Finish plan of action. This is much more intimidating. Track lead. Yeah, makes sense to me. Oh, got it. Okay. Got it. Your mouth, nothing special. No, I just wanted to keep up to date with what's going on because, I'm curious where we're headed. I'm hoping the conversation continues going. Like I'm hoping that the progress continues forward. And the conversation keeps going too, but yeah, because it's I feel like the only way that we can actually get involved, you know what I mean? Like it's just we need to that's why I'm such a jackass about like action items and stuff. That's why I keep pounding my fist about action items, because like if you don't stay on top of it, people will forget. People have lives, people have other things that they're thinking about all the time, you know, and we're all volunteers, we all lead busy lives. You know, you gotta stay on top of this stuff, or else it just kind of goes out of mind, you know? Life has a way of messing everything up. All the best laid plans. How's my Melville Idol doing here? Just as a side note. That. This is almost a 99. Can max that out now. Go back and make sure I've got these all maxed out. Not yet. 99 mastery. All these are out of reach. Okay, so I got more to do there. What else we got? Oh, you know what? 2 mastery pool XP, 5 tokens. That going. Goes up speed. There we go. And yeah, maybe we'll do some thieving here. Well, you know, I keep trying to thieve these people because they're supposed to give you bags, but I've still not gotten any bags. Do crafting with. Offhand. I guess we'll do. We'll hit 137. I assume it's a rare and or unique drop I just haven't found yet. A pain in the neck. There's Kate, that on, and we begin the old pickpocketing. That go. That level up there. Okay. Ton of momentum right now. I need to capitalize on it. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. I mean, it's good that there was a big outreach. You know what I mean? Like it actually went and really hit the community. A lot of people stepped forward. So that was good to see. Oh, let's see. I want to write some tests for the rating stuff. Oh, I need to do. Let me make sure the thing is exposed to the API. What is it? Chat resolver. Right, and then well, this is no chat resolver is the action. There's schema. And then I want to say chat types. Right? Yeah, here we go. Here we go. So, driver metadata. Right, let me make sure. Oh no, I'm definitely on the right. Yeah, one reading. So. That message sent to a channel. Please follow the subscription. The metadata is just about the user. And this is about the events. So I'm going to say fields is Read message when description was this message generated by our system for an incoming read. Is followed and is switching message, or they have deprecate on them? You're gonna replace this shortly after launch? I don't know why. I'm not deprecating this, that's for sure. Do that. That's supposed to go in user field subscriber. Yeah, that's just about the user generating the message. Okay. This is all under chat message, so really all I need to do is just add that there, which is the correct thing, right? Is raid message, yeah, okay. Yep. So that's just part of the chat message now. So whenever someone queries the API for a chat message, this is one of the fields they can pull back if they want. I don't think I need anything else there. I think that's really. Yeah. I think that's everything there. And then all I need to do is look at chat test, which tests the endpoints here. And chat message. We have something. Metadata moderator. Send a chat message. Not really. Metadata, chat message, emote message, moderation. We don't really guess that we could read them in here. Unless that's under like channels or something. I kind of doubt, but you never know. Channels returns all channels in category. How about username? Categories. Not very many things in there. I haven't been doing anything under old API. So send a chat message. Message tokens. Chat message mutation. So I imagine it would just be a chat message. Oh, welcome back. Send a chat message. And the reading event flag. What does that return? What is coming back from? I mean, create chat message should be bringing back an entire thing. Bring back tokens. Yeah, so it would be... Create chat message and check raid flag. Probably a better way to do that. Message and metadata. Where's the... Message meta. Okay, so it is at this level then. Let me just do this. Chat message and raid flag. Is raid. What is it called? Is raid. Message. That should be false. And it's kind of a lame test, but I need to make sure that you can see it in the API. Chat mix test. Test the Greenwich Web Graph API test. Oh, it came back as an actual boolean. Okay. That's fine. That is fine. And not as a string. Okay. I wasn't sure if it would parse it or not. Okay. That came back, so that's now, that flag is now in the API. So I just need to do the other tests here. Where do I even be? I gotta do tests around the read resolver. So look at, all right, Stream notifier. Okay, about stream metric. Surely one of these has, well, I know AutoHost has a test. AutoHost cron test. Test job. Okay. What do? I just call it, right? Directly? Yeah, just call perform directly. Okay. Guess I'll copy this. Paste it and name it. Read resolver test. Go. Read resolver. Yeah. We need something similar, but rid of all that. That there. Know what I will need here. Counts fixtures I need. Subscribe. This is the raid resolver job. Start raiding. Okay, so what do I need to set up for that? Raid definition, raid users. Raiding group ID. That's easy enough to do. Raid, perform raid channel. Be a stream that is really 2 streams that are live. Oof. And the different statuses. So, which raids? Which raids? Did I? Raid users. Channel raids and raid user. So we're gonna have to put some stuff. I wonder if I should do. We do a fixture as well. Where's that at? Counts. Fixtures. We'll need it for a couple things, for a couple different tests in different areas, so it'll be nice to just have it. Do a new file. Rating. Fixtures. URS. Next. That's, was it blemish that reading fixtures. Is there any other thing we need here? No. The module dock there, I guess. Really that important? So let's look here. Where do I start? Creating a definition. Start it. Redefinition, which involves raid users and then channel raids. Channel raids. Started by target. Okay. I guess let's play the target starting channel and the target channel. Create raid definition. Finish that. Frames. That. Channel. Reader channel. Target channel. Now I need no, I guess I don't. I guess I don't. I can do it the way they do it here. And stay. Finish. channel reads. Good here. Okay. So I need group ID, UID, that's I guess, yeah, generates. Channel reads, we need group ID. Status would be pending, I guess. Yeah. So group ID, status pending. Streams, channel, reads that change sets. Would be targets. No, how do I have this? Oh, started by is the user, and then the target channel. Okay. The count user. No, and then so we say started by target channel, right? Right by and target channel is target channel. I don't actually even cast those. I just do value required. Maybe I should do. We should reverse these. Start it by target channel. Those up here. And then group ID. Status. We'll go into change sets. Finish that repo dot insert. List. Group ID. So I have to I can do a multi and then do a bulk insert. I can figure it out. So it's ecto bulk insert. Do a multi, ecto multi new function, multi invite change set, invite clear ID, user ID, invite change sets. This index. Multi insert multi where's this multi or oh, it's right there. Okay, after multi new multi invite index and invite change that. I see what he's doing. Okay. For me, why is he doing a repo transaction now? Is that, I guess that is where it is executed, isn't it? How do I feel like I did something other than that? But I guess, no, I guess that's the correct way. Say do it in a transaction, which is what you're doing. Create invite. Okay, so we do user list with index. Function offset with index enum reduce ecto multi new multi new its index yeah, okay. So it would be the user index and then we say change set equals blemish streams raid user. Do we have one raid user? Fast group user. Okay. So, I just do that and then finish streams raid user change set to be status is ending. User is user, and then group is group ID. Ecto. This is the change set. It would be Ecto. It's at Ecto multi insert. Yeah. Ecto multi insert. So multi insert. What does it say here? And the multi there, and then run name, and then change sets. The name would be raid user maybe X. Wait, index. And then change set. Change set, if I spelled it right. Change set. Right. Oh wait, I did. No, I did that wrong because that would be against the change set, not against the thing. This comes out and then multi. Right. That's why they put multi here. Change sets. And then Ecto multi. Wait, no, I guess it's just Ecto dot transaction or something. Oh, it's against the repo. Okay, never mind. Repo. Blemish. Repo. Transact. There we go. And that's creating them. That's assuming you create the raid users yourself, which you probably want to do. Pass that into there. Okay. And that. And it's unhappy. It's unhappy here. Oh, I think I know why. Yep, that's better. Okay, so you know what? Let me do UUID there, so I don't bring it or anything like that. Just straight up, just a straight up module you bring in. Just does things, so you don't like end up bringing in other aliases that you might not need. Oh, frickety frick. Oh, there's a lot more that has to get done here with the testing. Let's see. I got the raid users, raid definition. So we got the fixtures in place, and then I just need to actually start testing the raid stuff. So we have raid. Yeah. Okay, this is under the main thing. So where's home page? This is under test blemish. Okay. I can actually copy this one. Copy. Paste. And then rename. What the hell? Where did I go? Got away from me. Rename. Homepage. Test will be raid. Raid test, and then I want raid fixtures. Is blemish raid. Wait, did I call it? I called it raids. Okay, I'm gonna rename this again. Raids. Plural. Raids. And let's get rid of all these tests. Cool. Okay. Give that for a moment. I just gotta go through and test all the things under under raids here. Definitions and users and all that fun stuff. Oh, although it kind of feels like my brain is shutting down right now, so I might end it a little bit early today. Where's the unsaved error? Oh, right. I was already in the process of trying to do the raid resolver job. That's right, I forgot. That's why I was doing the raids fixtures. I'll import that too. Call it raiding fixtures. Did I call it over here? No. Cool. All right. Well, we got the basic bare bones beginnings of a test going here for that. That's fine. Where are we at here? It's this. Commit, adding test. Do git push. And password. Here. Bam. Okay, so we're update there. Your rating had pushes less than a minute ago. Excellent. And I think I don't know why I keep looking. Reddit constantly gets me, man. Every time I see that freaking dot there on the title screen on the tab, and I just always compelled to look at it. I think yeah, let's put this down right here. We shut down this. Get this good there. Stop the database. And this will. There we go. Anything else going on here? I think we're good there. Anything else happening? No, doesn't look like it. All right, cool. Yeah. Unless there's any questions or anything from the gallery, I'm probably gonna stop here for today. I didn't get. Well, I got a lot of text, a lot of text-based stuff done. Not a lot of coding done, but that happens. So tomorrow I'll pick up with some more testing for the raid stuff, so we can kind of get that to a point where maybe I can get a pull request out on that. Yeah, I just saw that on Building Looters there. And I don't know what else. yeah, that's probably going to take up, I would imagine, most of the day trying to get through some of the tests there. Maybe, we'll see. But if I do have more time, then I'll move back over to the viewing the viewers panel, because we were pretty close on that. I had the queries and stuff in the back end. It just was having an issue actually displaying it on screen, but otherwise we were pretty darn close, I'd say. So that'll be good. Pretty darn close to actually having like something visual to look at anyway. I guess that about covers it. So that will be it for me for today, my friends. A little bit shorter stream. We only went 3 hours today instead of the usual 5 to 6, but I still think it went pretty well. Anyway, like I said, I'll be back tomorrow around the same time, and going for as long as my brain will hold out, however long that will be, and take it from there, my friends. That will tomorrow will conclude my streaming week. I'm off on Mondays as per usual, and then Tuesday, Wednesday night we'll be back in Assassin's Creed Valhalla, trying to make some progress, and I might even try to make a little bit of side progress on that tonight, just to kind of give my brain a break. Next Thursday, it will be the toss-up day as usual. Play whatever game I kind of feel like playing. And then, yeah, back into more coding. Small Feature Friday nights, and then Saturdays and Sundays, the longer coding streams. So that is the schedule as I know it, my friends. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching and hanging out, keeping me company, commenting, giving suggestions, giving feedback. All the things you folks do is all very appreciated and all very helpful, because otherwise Gloomish would look like the way that I wanted to look like, which wouldn't be very awesome. Now we can make Gloomish look like what everybody wants it to look like, which is definitely got to be more awesome than anything I can come up with on my own. So that is that, my friends. I hope everyone has an excellent morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on what it is for you, and hope to see you back here again in the future for some more stuff, whatever happens to suit your fancy. Until then, see you, bye.
This is the way.